Nonconformance describes any situation in which a project, whether as a result of design, development, manufacture, or implementation, fails to fulfill the requirements. These variations may be in terms of performance, quality, functionality, safety, or regulatory compliance. Nonconformance may be caused by a number of things, including bad planning, insufficient quality control procedures, poor communication, a shortage of qualified personnel, or even external events outside the project's control. To stop additional detrimental effects, it is essential to quickly identify and fix nonconformity. Nonconformance has both direct and indirect financial effects on projects. In terms of direct costs, rework or corrective actions are frequently required to address nonconformance issues. This necessitates additional labor, materials, and equipment, raising project costs. In addition, schedule delays may arise as a result of nonconformance, leading to potential fines, contract renegotiations, or even project cancellations. The reputation of an organization might suffer significantly from nonconformance. Losing the confidence and credibility of customers might result from delivering a product or service that fails to meet their expectations. Customer or client discontent and bad word of mouth may damage an organization's reputation and reduce client loyalty. Repeated nonconformities can harm an organization's standing in the marketplace, making it difficult to land new contracts or alliances. The organization's long-term viability may be further harmed by the time-consuming and expensive process of repairing a damaged reputation. Nonconformance may hinder production and interfere with project operations. Project teams must set aside time and resources to look into, identify, and address nonconformance issues. This takes time and resources away from other crucial project tasks, which might postpone the completion of project milestones. Additionally, nonconformity might harm the workplace atmosphere and demotivate the team. Frequent rework requirements can also lead to an inefficient workflow, which lowers the productivity and efficiency of the project as a whole. Nonconformance can lead to dissatisfied customers who may choose to switch to competitors or withhold future business. As consumer complaints, unfavorable reviews, and a strained connection with the consumer can occur when a good or service does not meet the quality standards or expectations. Since recruiting new clients is sometimes more expensive than keeping old ones, this loss of revenue might have substantial financial implications. In the case of nonconformance, more stringent inspection and testing procedures are required to make sure that upcoming items or deliverables align with the standards required. This necessitates more resources, including specialized machinery, qualified employees, and extended time frames. Increased inspection and testing expenses can have a big influence on project funding. Organizations should give preventative and mitigation measures top priority in order to reduce the cost of nonconformance. This demands thorough planning, risk management, and the application of efficient quality control procedures throughout the course of the project in order to foresee any nonconformance concerns. The chance of nonconformance may be decreased by proper training and skill development for project teams, which can assist ensure that work is done correctly the first time. Continuous monitoring, inspections, and audits can assist in spotting early indications of nonconformance, allowing for quick corrective actions. The organization's emphasis on quality and responsibility may also contribute to reducing the number of nonconformance occurrences.